Okay, this is 5332 Cypress Reserve Place in Winter Park, Florida, 32792. House sits on pretty much a double lot, and off to the right, all of that landscaping, all the way down to that white car down there, belongs to this house. It's kind of a wedge on this right side, but all of this beautiful landscaping belongs to it. It's a great neighborhood, a great location. It's close to everything. Now the roof is original from 1997, so almost surely has to be replaced. They have estimates here for about $15,000. Water heater, 2017. The two ACs were 2017. And a washer and dryer comes with it. Okay, so this is our grand entrance, and these are lead glass doors. As you go in, you can see how nice the tile is. And above us, we have an interesting piece up there that was created by a Vatican artist, actually, who works at the Miami consulate. And he painted that, or created that. I think his name was Giuseppe D. That's not him?
Giuseppe Corazzina.
Okay.
Is the artist. That's somebody different.
Okay. Okay, so that's your grand entrance. This piece right here will convey as well. As you can see, it's got... This would be a front parlor sitting room, and we have large mirrors on the other end that make it really deep. Here's our formal dining room. Some of the furniture will convey, or can convey as well. The owner said, you know, she'll take offers on it. This actually has another leaf, so it expands out to seat 8 or 10. You can see every room has crown molding that's upgraded and, you know, detailed, beveled. Here is the kitchen, 42-inch cabinets with crown molding. You can see the crown molding from the ceiling extends here. Looks like there's tile countertops with Whirlpool appliances, stainless. And here's our eat-in kitchen, which gives you a view in 3 directions. Here, there's room for a pool, and there's plumbing for a pool put in already. Really nice job on the crown molding. All the joints look very, very good. The chandeliers are Swarovski crystal. The one in the foyer is a Swarovski crystal. Very nice. Everything in here matches. So all the candles and all the fixtures, you know, go together. So it's hardwood flooring throughout, and the master's on the first floor. We have powder room downstairs for guests. It's a huge master with a double beveled ceiling. Plantation shutters throughout. Okay. The closet is enormous. To the side, you can have a good view of how far the yard is fenced. As I said, it's a double lot and goes almost all the way down to the corner. There's a lot of space for dogs. The laundry room is very tall and has all kinds of storage here. There's storage right here In this nook, the appliances are pretty much brand new, 1 year old. They will convey. And here's a huge closet underneath the stairs. A lot of space. It's an oversized 2-car garage with storage all the way down. Brand new water heater. There's some bricks there that if you ever were to make an addition on the house, they match the original bricks on the exterior, so that would help. Painted floor. Upstairs, carpet on the stairs, and I think it's carpet throughout the upstairs as well. And as you step up, there's a huge space, and again, you get to see that Vatican artist piece right here. There's our living room upstairs. There are 2 rooms to the right and 2 rooms to the left. There's a desk here with a closet, and both sides pretty much mirror each other. There's a bedroom and a bath, 2 bedrooms and a full bath on each side. Large bedrooms with vaulted ceilings. There's another view of the side yard here. Bedroom. A huge mirror down here that makes the room look absolutely enormous. Here's a room from upstairs on the foyer. Wow. Really, really nice.